The moment of truth. Staring down the barrel of the Canopy. Only the brave soldiers will make this one.
Chicken soup.
Unfortunately, family, we're not all gonna make it.
Stop it, Bomani.
I get to go first?
Oh, now she's gonna give us a nice little introduction. Dun, 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 dun.
That is me, huh?
This reminds me of when I was a child and I used to watch those Indiana Jones movies.
You can do it, Pepe.
I've done it before,
You can
so
do
I know
it.
I can, but do I want to?
Can you do a handstand?
Okay.
You remember, you might want to be careful with your phone though.
I'm not so mad about handstand. I look like Puppy Show. I'm taking a picture here because I'm not going on selfie. Ooh, wee. You taking a selfie?
Yes, family, you're looking at all the brave soldiers ready to journey on this trek. The Cocoon Canopy Walk.
First stage, here we go.
I'm going to do it.
I want
I'm not going to be in front.
No, I don't want anybody.
Oh, Lord.
I'll be, oh dear. Did that break when you got on?
Making noise yet?
It crashed.
Put me in the middle of some strong men, please.
Yes, family, this is so incredible. This is one of my favorite things to do in Ghana. It's, you know, the trekking and the hiking is incredible, but it's going across the canopy and seeing nature and being up in the trees and looking down. We love it, we love it. So the left is where the bypass is, our sister's talking about. For those who might be a little shaky and just want to get a taste of the canopy walk, but Bomani recommends that you take the long, long canopies around the forest. And family, I hate to admit it is a little rocky, like a rocky road, but trust me, we will survive this.
They coming, they're survivors, they're making it with General Bomani.
Come on, sing it. Anybody know that Beyonce song?
We got brother Omar.
I'm a survivor.
Doggone charge.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
So all the brave soldiers, you move forward, and everybody that's a little shaky, you can move to the left, move to the left, to the left, to the left. Everybody, you can do it. Come on, everybody, you can do it.
Yeah, we can do it. We rocking on?
Okay, I'm going to do it.
Come on, family, let's do it. You can do it.
Camille, is that you? No, you can look down, just hold on.
Yes, brother Omar, leading the troops. Leading the troops. Say nothing to it, right? Tell them. Everybody just try to do it with no hands. No hands.
Oh, now you want to be adventurous.
I'm using my hands.
And walk back and try to walk backward.
Walk. Yeah. Damn, ain't no cakewalk.
I'm not trying to put no hands. I like my hands.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Let me give you a higher view, family. We're up there. And and what you're seeing is the other side of the canopy.
It gets narrow.
All right, you can do it, you can do it. Remember, family, if the canopy pops, hold on and swing.
We ain't going to do it. Okay.
Anybody remember this from the Indiana Jones movie? You don't remember? You're not a fan?
I like Indiana Jones. I just don't remember the Canopy part. I don't remember that part.
There you go. Good job, everybody that did not take the bypass. Hey, the people, hey. Pepe, turn around. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way.
Exit stage left.
All right, family, we have lost a few people. So who are the brave soldiers that want to go?
Keep going. It's the only way to go back.
Come on, family. Keep on going. There's no way to turn around. There's no way back.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Well, why? How come it's down so low?
All ages. Family, this is fun for all ages. A family of fun from 2 to 102.
From 2, Bomani?
From 2 to 102.
Hey, you hear that wood creaking, folks?
Yes, my sister Nadia. Come a little closer so I can rock this thing for you.
That wood creaking is applause in Africa for the Africans.
Bomani, please come off of
Whoa, whoa. Come on, my sister, you can do it.